to follow. I think Dalton did a very good job in sharing a Bible story last Sabbath. But the only difference that I will be making is, if you can remember, Dalton did a very good job, but Dalton did not have cookies for you guys. So I have cookies for you today.
Cookies.
But nonetheless, Dalton, that was an excellent story last Sabbath. So the following Sabbath, we're hoping that maybe Chubby and the rest of the kids can also do the same. So our story for today is very simple. It's very short because I'm very nervous. I don't like doing the Bible story for kids. But I have one quick question for you guys. Do you know where God is? Where is God? Dalton, where is God? Heaven. How about you? Heaven. Any other answers? Where is God? Okay, you are correct in saying that God is in heaven. But I will be reading to you a very short story here, or a reading that says, God is also seen in the flowers. God is also seen in the trees. God is in the butterflies and the birds and the bees. God is also in the sunshine. God is in the storm. God is in the snow and the frost that makes you wrap up warm. God is in the good. God is also in the bad. God is in what makes you happy and what makes you sad. God is everywhere you look and everywhere you go. God is your best friend always, because God loves you so. So again, kids, remember that God is in heaven, but in all things, you should also be able to see God. Okay? So as I distribute cookies for all of you, remember that God is everywhere. So after eating your cookies, if your mom tells you to maybe drink some water and brush your teeth, remember to follow your mom or your dad, because God is everywhere and God is looking at you. So I will give you cookies.
That's Subway cookies. I saw it.
Ilan ba kayo sampo?
No. By the way, starting today, the children listen. Today, starting today, after the children's story, you will be collecting offerings. Okay? You need to have funds in your department so that you can do more activities. So Ate Sarah, the head of the children, will be here, and you could give the baskets, beautiful baskets, huh? Okay. So get it from, sana mamaya, mga ulit tapos ang offering.